How to improve your trading mindset, the key to long-term trading success. You've devoured trading books, back-tested strategies until your eyes blurred, and yet your account balance is still taking a nosedive. You're not alone. What if the secret to consistent profits isn't another indicator, but something far more fundamental? It's time to face a hard truth. Your trading mindset might be the very thing holding you back. I used to be in the same boat, chasing the next hot tip and watching my capital evaporate. Then I discovered the power of trading mindset. This video will reveal the top 5 trading mindset shifts that transformed my trading and can transform yours too. We're diving deep into the psychology of successful trading, so buckle up. Imagine this. You enter a trade based on solid analysis, but the moment it dips, panic sets in. You sell, only to watch it soar minutes later. Sound familiar? That's emotion hijacking your trading decisions. Trading based on fear or greed is a recipe for disaster. Emotions cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive actions that contradict your carefully laid plans. I remember holding onto a losing trade for far too long, simply because I hoped it would turn around. Hope is not a strategy. Before entering any trade, write down your entry and exit plan, including your stop loss and target profit. Then stick to that plan, regardless of the emotional roller coaster. Let's be real, losses are inevitable in trading. Even the best traders experience losing streaks. The key is not to avoid losses, but to manage them effectively. Think of losses as tuition fees for the market. They're part of the learning process. Don't beat yourself up over them. Instead, learn from them. Trading without accepting losses is like sailing without a compass. You're bound to get lost and run aground. Review your losing trades regularly. Identify the mistakes you made and adjust your strategy accordingly. This is how you turn losses into valuable lessons. Chasing profits is a surefire way to make bad decisions. When you're fixated on the money, you're more likely to take unnecessary risks and deviate from your trading plan. Instead of obsessing over profits, focus on the process. This means focusing on research, risk management, and execution. I used to be so obsessed with making money that I would jump into trades without proper analysis. This led to impulsive decisions and significant losses. Create a trading journal to track your trades, your emotions, and your adherence to your trading plan. This will help you identify patterns and improve your decision-making process. Impatience is a trader's worst enemy. Don't force trades just because you're bored or feel like you need to be in the market. Wait for high-probability setups that align with your trading plan. This requires discipline and the ability to resist the urge to trade impulsively. I've been guilty of jumping into trades that weren't quite ready, simply because I was impatient. This almost always resulted in losses. Set up alerts for your favorite trading setups. This will help you avoid constantly monitoring the charts and reduce the temptation to trade prematurely. Trading is not gambling. It's about managing risk and maximizing your potential for profit. A gambler bets everything on a single outcome, while a risk manager carefully assesses the odds and protects their capital. I used to risk too much on individual trades, hoping for a big win. This is a dangerous mindset that can quickly wipe out your account. Always use stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on any single trade. So, what's been your biggest trading mindset struggle? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and build a community of disciplined, successful traders. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more weekly trading mindset hacks. I'll be sharing practical tips and strategies to help you develop a winning mindset. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to build a trading plan you'll actually follow. Don't miss it. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and remember, your trading mindset is your greatest asset.